If you've ever wished you could turn back time on a file you accidentally messed up, or bring back a version before those last-minute edits, you're in luck. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore a previous version of a file in Microsoft OneDrive using just your web browser. By the end of this video, you'll know how to recover an earlier version of your document, even if you thought those changes were permanent. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open your web browser and head over to OneDrive.com. Once you're there, sign in with your Microsoft account. Take a breath here. Sometimes it's easy to rush, but make sure you're using the same account associated with your files. If you have multiple Microsoft logins, double-check you're in the right place so you don't go searching for a file that isn't even there. Once you're in, you'll see your OneDrive files listed. Think of this as your digital filing cabinet in the cloud. Now take a look through your folders and find the file you want to restore. If you're not sure exactly where it is, you can use the search bar at the top. Just type in the file name or part of it. When you locate your file, right-click on it. Or if you're on a device that doesn't handle right-clicking very well, just click the little three-dot menu that appears either right next to the file name or up at the top menu bar after you select it. From the options that pop up, click on Version History. This is the key to unlocking all your files' past versions, kind of like a built-in time machine for your documents. Now a pane will slide out, usually on the right side of your screen, showing you a list of all the recent versions of this file saved within the last 30 days if you're using a personal Microsoft account. Each entry usually shows the date and time when the version was saved, as well as who made the change, which is super helpful if you're collaborating with others. Take your time here and scroll through if needed. If you're not sure which version is the right one, don't worry, you won't overwrite anything just yet. Next, when you've spotted a version that looks right, maybe you remember working on it last Tuesday, for example, you have a couple of options. Click the three dots next to that version. If you want to check its contents before making any changes, select Open File. That way, you can look over the document in a read-only mode and make sure it's really the one you need. This step is great if you're hesitating or don't want to accidentally undo work you still want to keep. On the other hand, if you're confident this is the version you want, just select Restore. This will replace the current file with your chosen older version, but don't worry, OneDrive actually keeps the new current version in the history too. So if you need to reverse this step, you can always go through the process again. It's not a one-way street, and that's it, you've just restored your file to a previous version. This kind of feature is not only a lifesaver if you make a mistake, but also a powerful tool for tracking changes, especially when sharing files or working in teams. Remember, everything you do here is reversible, so don't be afraid to experiment if you're trying to find the version you need. If this helped you recover your document or if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. I read every one. And if you found this tutorial useful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.